change it for you. And so therefore she has to do a lot of the work herself, and she's learned how to do that. So I'm just truly amazed that she has broadened her recovery foundation, where I'm not the only go-to person, and she's utilizing all the tools, and I'm just amazed at how well she's doing independently now.
All right, very good. You have a bad connection, Ms. McKinney, but we were able to understand what you were saying, one word at a time, literally. And so thank you for being here on today. With that, Mr. Reed, Mr. Fikes, anything you'd like to add? I don't
Yes,
see, oh, yes, there's Mr. Reed.
yes, Judge. Thank you, Judge. Mr. Miller, congratulations. Good report. You're working the program. You sound good. You look good. I'm glad you're working toward that driver's license. I know you're going to get it. Keep up the good work. We are proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. We know it's not an easy program, but you're doing everything we ask. Keep up the good work and be safe. Thank you, Ms. Miller. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
All right.
if I might add, Your Honor, I can't say it better than Mr. Reed just did. We are very proud of you, Ms. Miller. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, Ms. Cleveland, we staffed Ms. Miller's case on yesterday. Has anything changed, or is there anything additional to report out?
No, Your Honor. I think I did mention that she has paid all of her fees and costs here and the other one. So I'm very, very pleased to report that.
All right, very good. I'm very pleased to hear it too. All right, with that, if nothing else, Ms. Cleveland, when is Ms. Miller returning to court?
Your Honor, her next court date would be on 6/1,
June 1st.
2021 at 8:30 a.m. for a Zoom hearing.
All right, Ms. Miller, did you get that?
Yes, ma'am, I did. Thank you.
All right, thank you for your patience, both of you on this morning. Thank you, as we were serving our veterans first on the docket. I appreciate you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, and you have a good day.
All right, you do the same. Thank you, Ms. McKinney. Good to see you.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. I am ready on Mr. Purry, Kenneth Purry. So, Mr. Purry.
Your Honor, if I could, can Attorney Reed and Ms. Bowman, myself, go into a breakout room?
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Yancey. I forgot about that. Good morning, Ms. Bowman. I'm glad to see you on this morning. I am going to assign the three of you to breakout room number 4. So that is Mr. Reed, Ms. Bowman, and Mr. Yancey.
Thank you.
Oh, where are you, Mr. Yancey? Oh, there you are. Okay. And then I don't see Mr. Morgan, and I'm not sure if Ms. Chilcutt needs to go into a breakout. I don't even see Mr. Chilcutt, Ms. Chilcutt. Okay. Mr. Morgan, does Ms. Chilcutt need to?
Yes, we should probably go in the breakout room, Your Honor.
You need an attorney in there with you?
Yes, that'll be good.
All right, as soon as I do this intake, because I need Mr. Fikes to be on for the intake, then I'll send you into you all to a breakout room, okay?
Okay, thanks.
All right, very good. I have the following matters for Kenneth Purry. U569-12120, U576-56520, U582-57420. Mr. Purry, please state your full name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kenneth Purry.
All right, we're glad you're here this morning, Mr. Purry.
Thank you, and I apologize for smoking in your courtroom.
All right, you're new to the courtroom. That's why I didn't do, it throws me off. I see smoke. I don't know what's going on, a circus, court, magic trick. I just don't know. And I want it to be court, okay? So
I understand.
So thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right. With that, Mr. Fikes, how are we proceeding first with Mr. Purry?
Yes, Your Honor. I had a chance to speak with the prosecutor, and there's an offer that if he pleads guilty on U582-57420, this court could consider reducing that to disorderly conduct and dismissing the other two matters upon successful completion of Veterans Treatment Court. If he's unsuccessful, of course, it means, according to the prosecutor's offer, that all three charges would be reinstated.
All right, Mr. Purry, do you understand the offer that's before you?
Yes, ma'am, I do, and I appreciate it.
All right, very good. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. All right, you can place your hand down. Mr. Ficus, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir, you understand that in each of these matters, you have a right to a trial, correct?
I do.
And you wish to waive that right and enter a guilty plea on one of the matters today, correct?
Correct.
Are you making this decision freely and voluntarily?
I am.
Has anyone forced you into doing this or promised you anything to get you to plead guilty on that one matter today?
No, sir.
Your Honor, I'm satisfied as to his constitutional waiver.
All right, as to the factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir, on November 10th of 2020, were you in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you in possession of narcotic or drugs or narcotics?
Yes.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
I am as well. I'll accept your plea of guilty. I am amending the matter to disorderly conduct pursuant to the recommendation of the prosecuting attorney. And of course, I'm dismissing the remaining two matters. They are dismissed without prejudice with a stipulation of probable cause.
And defendant would so stipulate, Your Honor.
Wonderful. I'm also dismissing and reducing the charge, Mr. Ficus, or amending the charge with the understanding that your client must successfully complete Veterans Treatment Court, and his failure to do so will result in the reinstatement of all of these charges. Your client understands that, is that correct?
That is
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
All right, thank you very much. With that, I am ready to process Mr. Purry for entrance into our Veterans Treatment Court. Ms. Robs, are you presenting Mr. Purry today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Before the court, we have Mr. Kenneth Purry. He is a 60-year-old African-American male. He is an Army veteran. His charge is narcotic and drug-related. His highest level of education is some college. He has 3 adult children. He does admit to having a substance abuse challenge to both crack cocaine since the age of 23 and alcohol since the age of 14. He reports his last use on April 16, 2021. Since then, his urinalysis has been negative. He does not have any prior felony convictions for a violent offense. He has not participated in specialties court in the last 10 years. He reports being very eager to participate in the program. His mentor is Mr. Parker. I did, Your Honor, send him the information for his Needs Plus assessment, and I have not received that as of yet. He is in the process of completing his assessment with Mr. Kushiri. And Your Honor, I'm here today to present him as a candidate for Veterans Treatment Court.
All right, Ms. Robs, did he do the Needs Plus at 36th District Court?
Your Honor, I sent it to him. I have not yet received the results.
All right,
Okay.
Mr. Purry, we need that assessment, you to get it done, okay?
Listen, Your Honor, I did it last night. I worked all the way up to the part where it said, thank you for completing this survey. But when I tried to send it through, the AT&T was having some problems. And we called AT&T and they said the problem would be resolved today.
Okay.
I just hope that the information is still there and I don't have to go through that long test again. But I did complete it last night as I was instructed to do.
Well, good luck. I hope it's there too. But if not, you'll have to redo it. Let's hope it's still there, okay? Mr. Purry, is he going silent or is he? Oh, there he is. Okay. All right. Let's continue to go. Anyone else have any information before I go to the attorneys that I need to know about Mr. Purry with respect to his acceptance into Veterans Treatment Court?
Your Honor, if I may.
Yes.
Right, thank you. Good morning again. Mr. Purry and I have been in communication since he chose to opt in as a self-referral to Veterans Treatment Court. His assessment was completed. He is compliant with all of his treatment, individual and group work via Manual House. Since his assessment, he has requested CWT consultation because he wants to get into voc rehab with the VA to find gainful employment. He completes Manual House in June on the 15th, and he plans to transition back to his fiance. At that time, he is agreeable to maintain outpatient services for substance use disorder programming, and he is agreeable to all recommendations as clinically indicated.
All right, very good, very good. All right, Mr. Fikens, anything you'd like to tell me about Mr. Purry?
Yes, thank you, Judge. Mr. Purry and I had a very good conversation about the charges against him, about Veterans Treatment Court. He was certainly interested and willing to come into Veterans Treatment Court, one of the more accepting people, I guess is the best word that I've talked to in a long, long time. So we had a pleasant conversation. He was certainly respectful and wants to, I think he said he's kind of sick and tired of doing what he used to do and wants to change things around. So we talked about how the program would be for 12 months. We talked about the need for testing, which he already does, the need for counseling, which he already does, and the need for NA meetings, which he already does. So he hit the ground running, Judge, and we're happy. I'm happy to ask that he be included as a member of the Veterans Treatment Court.
All right, wonderful, wonderful. All right, Mr. Purry, what do you want me to know about you?
Well, I'm working on completely changing the way I think. I've been using drugs and alcohol for a very long time. And I think that it's about time for us to change because my life was totally unmanageable. I was hurt to all the people around me.
Yeah.
And I have a very good support team as well as family.
And so you're willing to do this, Mr. Purry? You're willing to come into the program and work it?
Very much so, Your Honor.
All right, very good. And so you said you have a good support team. Who's on your support team?
Well, my fiance, Julia, who I've known for over 40 years. My best friend, I call him my Uncle Terry Chase, who constantly on my case. And then I have 5 sisters and a brother that supports me as well as my children.
All right, very good. Do they know what you struggle with, Mr. Purry? Are you honest with them about it?
Yes. Well, you know what? My daughters are so, I don't know. We have a strange relationship with my daughters, but through my son, who's in the middle, I communicated with them and let them know where I was, what I was doing, and why. So they are both at home. Both my daughters, strangely, are suffering with COVID right now. So it's kind of, I didn't want to put anything, more on their plate. I just want them to concentrate on getting well.
Okay. All right. And certainly it's up to you what you share with your family. But I do know that it's very important to get that support, that if people don't know what you're going through, especially people that are supposed to love us, which I'm sure your children do, then they don't know how to help you. They don't know how to, maybe some of their behaviors they would change if they knew what you were going through. Maybe some things that they do, they won't do it in your presence or around you because they know what you're going through. So I'm going to leave that totally up to you, but I just wanted to share that with you, okay?
Your Honor, I would just like to add that through the grace of God, I think that my children has learned, through my mistakes, and they don't use drugs, they don't drink. They're very upstanding young adults, and I'm thankful for that.
Good, very.
I think they seen what I went through, and they say, "Hey, I don't want to go through that."
Yeah. All right, very good. Look, Mr. Purry, you've served in the Army. What did you do in the Army?
I was a mechanic.
All right, very good. Did that transfer into your civilian life after the Army?
Unfortunately not.
No?
I went into management. I didn't like getting my hands dirty and taking a week to clean my fingernails. So I went into business management.
All right, very good. Look, Mr. Purry, if you want to work this program, we want to work it with you. We want to be here to assist you and to help you. And so as you've been in the courtroom on this morning, it's a lot of work, but it's good work. It's doable.
Oh, yeah.
Work.
Yes,
It's work that if you do it and you work hard with us, that you will be able to reap all of the benefits for being a part of this program. And so I want to see you do it. You've served this country. I would like to get the opportunity for us, the team at 36th District Court, to be able to serve you. If you come into our Veterans Treatment Court, you'll be assigned a case manager, Ms. Robs, who works with our veterans. She does an excellent job. You'll also have Ms. Kusheri that will be working with you, as well as you'll be assigned a mentor, Mr. Parker. You'll also have access to our two defense attorneys, Attorney Reed and Attorney Fikens, as well as to all of the team in specialty court. We all work together. We do what it takes to get it done, to make sure the people who have been entrusted to us, that they are taken care of. And so I'd love for you to come on board and work with us if you're willing to do that. Do I have your commitment to do it?
Yes, you do, Your Honor. I plan on chasing my recovery just as hard as I chased them drugs for over 40 years.
Come on, if I can get that kind of commitment from you, then I know you can make it. Absolutely. If you go after recovery the way you went after everything else, you're going to be just fine, Mr. Purry. Yes, you are. Well, look, I'm looking forward to working with you, Mr. Fikens. Did you take the time to determine that your client is in fact eligible to participate in specialty court?
Yes, Your Honor, he is eligible.
All right, no issues that need to be brought before the court. Ask Mr. Purry, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, very good. And Ms. Robs, did you take the time to determine whether or not Mr. Purry is, or if he's ever been, a violent offender, and if he is a substantial risk to the public?
Yes, Your Honor. According to the lien, he's not a substantial risk to the public, and he's not a violent offender, Your Honor.
All right, wonderful. And Mr. Purry, you acknowledge that you have an issue with substances and you're willing to work on it. Is that correct?
Definitely, Your Honor.
All right, then with that, we welcome you to our Veterans Treatment Court. We look forward to working with you. That work starts on today. Ms. Robs, Mr. Fikens your attorney did go through what is going to become this court's order. Is that correct? He went through that with you?
He did. He was very.
All right, very good. And so it starts today. Veterans Treatment Court starts today. So I want you to roll up your sleeves and jump in today and start working for you while we're working for you today as well. In fact, Mr. Fikens already started working for you even before court, because he went to the prosecutors and got a really good deal for you.
Yes,
if you work this program, when you get finished, you're going to walk away with no matters at 36th District Court and a clean record. And that's a wonderful thing, Mr. Purry.
That's right.
It feels good already.
All right, very good.
Thank you, guys. I'm looking forward to being one of the best.
All right, we're getting a bad connection with you, but I know you can hear us, and we've gotten the bulk of everything covered. And so, Ms. Robs, what's the return to court date for Mr. Purry?
Your Honor, would you prefer him to come next week until we get the needs plus, or?
Yes, absolutely. The needs plus, as well as the clinical assessment. So he'll have to be on my docket next week, which means that is the 25th. Is that correct, Ms. Rob?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you'll return to see me next week. Was Tuesday, the 25th.
Okay, at what time?
At 8:30 a.m. Okay, get on time, because I do the veterans first, okay? And we start at 8:30.
I will.
All right, very good. I look forward to working with you.
Thank you, you as well.
All right, before you leave the courtroom, I need everybody to join me in thanking Mr. Purry for serving this country, therefore serving us by serving in the armed forces. Come on, let's say thank you to Mr. Purry. Thank you, Mr. Purry. All right, we look forward to working with you. Take care.
All right.
All right, very good. All right, I am ready on, let's see, Counsel Zelenak. Is it Zelenak?
Good morning, Your Honor, and I extend greetings from Judge Elizabeth Mimi Mullins. I'm prosecuting in her courtroom today, and I have an awful signal here. I apologize, but she
That's
extends her greetings. She's on the bench, and she's a terrific judge. You guys trained her well.
Wonderful, wonderful. Make sure you tell her I said hello, and I'm so proud of her. Please let her know I had her number in my cell phone. I no longer have it. She needs to reach out to me. I want us to stay connected. Okay.
I sure will. In fact, I will make certain, and if not, I'll chat you her cell phone number. I think you probably have it though, Judge.
But yeah, it got erased from my phone, you know.
And so I apologize for being in and out and in and out.
That's
And
okay.
I have this sinking feeling that my client, who was sent to you by Judge Bryant, has not checked in today.
Who is your client, counsel?
His name is Whitehead. It's Rodney Whitehead, WHITEHEAD.
Oh,
Ronnie is the first name, and we pled him to reckless driving, and he ended up being a bit of a recalcitrant in accepting things, and Judge Bryant wisely presumed that he would do well in your court. It was a drunk driving reduced to a reckless, and I don't see, he didn't show up to my office, Judge, today to go on Zoom, and I'm stuck here in Southgate. So.
All right. And so, counsel, we did talk about, we were expecting Mr. Whitehead. We talked about him in staffing. It was reported that he has not been receptive of coming into specialty court. He was, however, ordered to appear before me on this morning at 8:30. He has failed to do so. I'm ready to call his case. And what I'll do is I'm going to place a KPS on the record. I'll notify Judge Bryant that he did not show up. And then hopefully if you can get him to come on or to appear with Judge Bryant, by all means do that. But until then, I'm left with no other alternative but to place a KPS in the system for him, okay?
Well, Your Honor, that's fair as fair. And I enjoyed watching your court. I sit on the Veterans Court here with Judge Mullins and then the Sobriety Court in Lincoln Park, where I'm city attorney there too. Not to burden you, but this is my daughter, Amelia, who's helping me prosecute. She's a Wayne Law alum.
Let's see, where is she? I don't see you. Good morning. I think you're delayed.
And she's also got a master's in biomedical engineering, so she's overqualified to be a prosecutor.
All right.
Sorry, Judge.
Oh, no, absolutely. As you should, proud father. Absolutely. All right. Let me call your client's case number. It's 1-800-4635-901.
Thank you, Judge. Sorry to intervene with that. And
uh-oh, I don't know that he can hear me. We must be delayed. All right. The client.
I can hear you, Judge. I got a bad.
All right. The client's name is Ronnie Whitehead. And so, counsel, you don't know where your client is on this morning, but state your appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Zelenak, P27611, attorney for the defense. He traditionally appears in my office in Lincoln Park to Zoom there because he does not have access to computers. He's indicated to me that he's been in and out homeless. He's not driving, but nonetheless, Your Honor, he has failed to appear at my office, failed to contact me today. I'm ready to proceed for his admission to your specialties court, and we'd like the opportunity, but the court has to do what the court has to do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. As I indicated earlier, I am going to issue a KPS. Ms. Drew, that KPS will indicate that he was assigned to specialty court, referred to specialty court, so you can stamp it, please. And so the bond will be set at a remand that when we get him, they'll bring him before me. As I indicated to you, Attorney Zelenak, if you are able to contact him, I want to work with people. And so if you can get him and get him into my courtroom or to Judge Bryant's courtroom, we will work with him. But until then, there will be a warrant in the system for his arrest.
Fair enough, Your Honor. It's a pleasure being in your court, watching your proceedings with the folks who need that special help. You're taking a major task that's demonstrative, and I hope you succeed very well. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Good to see you, you and your daughter. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very good. With that, Mr. Parker, you are free to leave. We have covered all of our veterans. Thank you so much for your service this morning. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Enjoy your day.
All right, you do the same.
Your Honor, I believe Mr. Morgan wanted to go into a breakout room with myself and Ms. Chillicott. I think that's
Yes. All right, let me do that. And then I'm ready on Mr. McGraw. Let's see. There she is. All right, I am assigning Ms. Chilcutt to breakout room number 5. Mr. Fikens, I'm moving you there as well. And I think you said Mr. Morgan wanted to go as well. And so I am assigning Mr. Morgan to breakout room number 5. All right,
Judge.
very good. With that, Mr. McGraw, can you unmute for me, please? Good morning, Mr. McGraw.
Morning.
How are you this morning?
Fine.
Very good, very good. All right, Mr. McGraw, I have the following for you. Case number 190601, 4101. State your full name for the record.
Patrick McGraw.
All right, Mr. McGraw, things are going well with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, tell me what's been going on.
Well, let's see. I got my fines paid off down there with y'all.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. I got that in for you. So, you know, it's like just taking that next. I gotta get this that community service done. I say knock off everything one step at a time. I got the money paid off. That was the hard part. Everything else would be this easy part.
All right. You back with Miss Gail?
Yes.
How's that going, Mr. McGraw?
It was going fine. Like she told me, just stop letting things overwhelm me. She's like, you got a destination, and on that destination, that dead weight, you got that to drop, that dead weight on off. I gotta get this done.
Yes, sir. You do, and not just done to be done with the program, but done.
As in a lot of things behind me. It's always gonna be some obstacles in front of you. Just take them as they come. Quit trying to worry about everything as the day as it comes.
There you go. Very good. I'm glad to see that you're back on track, because I know that, and I don't know, Miss Cleveland, we've already talked about the mishap that took place. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so we are back on track, if that's what you reported.
Yes, Your Honor.
And nothing has changed.
No, he's actually doing very well and complying with court orders.
All right, very good. Mr. McGraw, what do you think is helping you to get back on track?
Actually, though, I've been kind of enjoying that. I've been going on like that. It's like an NA, like international. It's like 24, and it's amazing that it's people all over the world at different times. It could be 3 o'clock in the morning here, and somebody going through a problem you have, or you can relate to it.
Yes, absolutely. So you understand you're not the only one, right?
Yeah, and then I done found myself actually. Just say I maybe didn't know, been on there for a while. It may be 2 o'clock in the morning. I may just get on there just to have something else to think about or do. And it's just, it's kind of amazing to me. It's like, wow.
Yeah. Tell me something you've learned since the last time I've seen you.
Oh, basically, like I didn't put in a lot of things that I was basically kind of, best way to put it. A lot of times I was kind of afraid to let my own, get in touch with my own feelings. And it's like, you kind of, use things to kind of push that off and not deal with things.
Yeah. And we can, and is that good? Is that something good to do or something we shouldn't be doing?
Oh no, I mean, just get in touch with your real feelings. That's the real you. And sometimes you suppress that for so long that you kind of almost forget how it is just to feel all right about yourself. It's okay to be all right with yourself. Some days it's okay to say, dang, I'm having a bad day. Let me just stick to myself and just like this weekend. I was just out there doing yard with my wife. She know I hate pulling weeds. She's like, you pulling weeds? What's going on with you? I said, I hate it. But But I went and got the flowers. When I got the flowers, I pulled up all the weeds, prep the yard, mess with that stinking old dirt, that. But I had fun. It was cool. I know I couldn't get in no mess, no trouble. We had a good time.
Yes. Yeah. So you're exploring, even doing things that you might not like doing, but they're not harmful to you, right?
It's not just like I hate doing it, but I did it with a smile.
I'm sure your wife appreciated it too.
Oh yeah.